How to fix Google Meet screen share not working on Mac. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Meet share screen not working on Mac. To start this tutorial, click on the Apple logo on the upper left of your MacBook. In here, click on System Preferences. Just click on it this time. Once you click on System Preferences, right now, you're going to be looking for the icon that says Sharing. This one over here. Once you find it, double-click on the Sharing folder. In here, you can now have the option to turn on Screen Sharing as a service. In here, you can see that screen sharing is already on for your MacBook. Then you can now go back. In here, you will now go to Security and Privacy. Just click on the Home button this time. In here, you're going to be scrolling down. You're going to be looking for Screen Recording. Once you find it, click on it. And then allow the apps below to record the contents of your screen, even while using other apps. In here, the option is that you're going to be needing to click a check mark on both. To do that, log in to your MacBook for the meantime. All you have to do is click the lock to make the changes. Input your username and your password. Once satisfied, click Unlock. And then in here, you can now modify as to which icons or applications can use it. In here, click on Later or Quit and Reopen. Just give it a check mark, and that means they will be allowed to use screen sharing. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.